Could be the stupidest thing anyone's ever done. Try again.
That's why I got stars. Yeah, baby.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like a mud and John to pull hot tub through mud.
We're definitely doing something. Keep going. You're on top of the stuff. Just yank. Yeah, it will. Take it at a 4 low. Go. Trying 4 high. Get in the Yukon. Pull the hot tub. Hot tub's going. Yukon spinning. Back up. Pop it. It's okay. What she'll do is bust the hatch glass out. Quick, yeah. Don't cut the wheel no more. Just back straight
How
up.
about you on?
I don't know. Okay, just go. Just go. Let it go. Just let it eat.
Let it eat some dust.
Again.